Maintaining good oral hygiene is essential for overall dental health. Dental plaque and tartar buildup can lead to various oral health issues, including cavities. While regular dental visits are crucial, there are also effective home remedies you can use to remove dental plaque and tartar. Number 1. The miracle of oil pulling. One highly recommended home remedy for removing dental plaque and tartar is oil pulling. Coconut oil and sesame oil are popular choices due to their antibacterial properties. To perform oil pulling, take a tablespoon of oil and swish it around your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes, then spit it out. This technique helps loosen and eliminate plaque and tartar buildup, promoting a healthy oral environment and preventing cavities. Number 2. Why baking soda is your friend. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is another powerful ally in the fight against dental plaque and tartar. Its mild abrasive nature aids in removing stubborn plaque and surface stains from teeth. Create a paste by mixing a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water, and brush your teeth with this mixture for 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly afterward. However, be mindful not to overuse baking soda, as excessive scrubbing can damage tooth enamel. Number 3. The Tangy trick, lemon juice and salt. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which has natural cleansing properties. When combined with salt, it forms an effective paste to help eliminate plaque and tartar. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with a pinch of salt to create a paste. Apply the mixture to your teeth and let it sit for a few minutes. Gently brush with a toothbrush and rinse thoroughly. Remember to limit the frequency of this treatment as lemon juice's acidity can erode tooth enamel if used excessively. Taking proactive measures to remove dental plaque and tartar at home is a vital part of cavity prevention. Incorporating oil pulling, using baking soda, and utilizing the lemon juice and salt mixture are all effective methods to combat plaque and tartar buildup. Remember to maintain regular dental checkups and follow proper oral hygiene practices for optimal dental health. By utilizing these home remedies in conjunction with professional dental care, you can maintain a healthy, plaque-free smile and reduce the risk of cavities.